Figma latest update multi-edit. Today we are going to see super useful update of Figma Multi-edit. There are a bunch of multi-edit update. We are going to look at most important of those. First one, multi-edit select matching layers. Let's start with an app design with two screens. Splash and home screens with one component. Let's assume that we have more screens like home screen. If you want to select and change the color of the title, earlier you need to select each one from each screen. Now you can just select one and go to the top and choose Select Matching Layer icon. It immediately selects all the matching layers from the existing project screens. After that you can edit it easily by changing color or anything. Same thing, you can do it with any assets. The shortcut of the Select Matching Layer is Ctl Alt A. Next, multi-edit text editing. To edit similar text in multiple screens, we use this option. This is very useful one if you are handling a big project with many screens. First, select the text you want to edit and go to top and choose Select Matching Layer, and then click nearby icon a multi-edit text icon. Now it will allow you to change the text in multiple screens. It's that super easy now. Let's try it for another text. See how easy it now. Next, we are going to see multi-edit applying transformations. Let's assume that we have many screens with similar assets and it is in different places as well. Select the one you want to apply transform, go to the top and select Matching Layer icon and rotate it. It will rotate properly within the screens. Earlier it will rotate by overall selection. To change angle value of all the similar icons, you can change it once and it will apply for all. Also transform it in one place and apply to all. Next, we are going to see multi-edit variants. Let's assume that we have a slide button component with different variants. Earlier, if you want to change the slide button border to black, you need to change it one by one. Now you can choose a multi-edit variants from top and it will select all the similar assets from different variants. After this you edit it as you want, and it will apply in all variants instantly. Once you release it, it will come back to normal edit mode, so that it will apply only to that variant. Next, we are going to see multi-edit drag to select matching layers. Again, this is very useful when we are working on many screens. This option allows you to choose only those you want to select from similar assets. To do so, select one asset and press Shift key. You will see similar items highlighted with light blue border in all other screens. Now holding Shift key and drag mouse to select those similar items you want from other screens. Now you can edit as you want. Let's see another example for a shape asset. Hold Shift key and drag mouse to select similar items from other screens. That's how easy to change the color of the border in multiple screens. Finally, we are going to see Multi-edit create components. This is also very useful when you have a big project and you did not realize that to create a component for something that you need. Now you can do it very easily after completing your project too. To do so, select the assets you want to convert into component and go to the top, select matching layers. It will select all the matched layers in different screens. Then click on the create component icon. Now it will create a main component and apply it to all screens as their variant. You can now edit as usual the main component and it will apply to the variants. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed and know something new today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. There are few more multi-edit options available that is not discussed here. If you want us to create a video on that, let us know in the comment section.